Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with a Rusty Blades YouTube barber. Now it's been a long time coming and I've had this clipper for quite a while now and I have been using it. So I have put it all back in the box just for the purposes of this video, and it is the LoPro FX from Babyliss. We're going to have a look at this bad boy. We're going to open the box up, see what we get inside, and like always, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to do a sound test and I'm going to weigh it as well. Let's stop messing about, let's get straight into it and have a look at the LoPro FX from Babyliss. Right guys, this is the LoPro FX clipper from Babyliss. Let's unbox it, let's have a look and see what's inside. I'm going to read off the back and tell you a few specifics of what the clipper actually has, if that makes sense. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So first of all, you get like a plastic sleeve on there. You also get like a little cardboard thing that slips out as well. It's like playing pass the parcel. Pass the parcel. Then you've got a plastic inlay, which the clipper, it is quite firm in there, so it's not going to fall out or bash about. And this is the clipper. It's a really nice clipper, but we'll talk about that in just a few minutes once we've had a look and see what's inside the box. The first thing inside the box is your leaflet of crap. What no one ever reads, it's just in there, but they have to put it in there. So that's the first thing. Now, this is the charging lead. Again, I'm in the UK, so this is from the US, so it's got the US plug on it. It's an easy fix. You buy a USA adapter, it plugs in, you charge your clipper. No great spills and thrills, but that's your charging cable. Bit disappointed that you don't get a charging stand, because as you know, I'm a big fan of Gamma and Stylecraft, and it's always nice the fact that you get a charging stand to put your clipper on. It just feels more premium when you've got that stand, although the clipper itself does feel premium. We've got a tube of lube, which again, standard, but it's nice that it's not just a little crappy pot. It's quite nice, that, as nice as a tube of lube can be. You get the blade protector. Now, this is one thing that I don't really understand, is that when you buy the clipper, it's in there. It doesn't have that on. I don't know why, because generally when you buy a clipper, it always comes with that on to protect the blade. But like I said before, it was in there, nice and sturdy, so it's not going to get bashed about. But I just find that a bit weird that it's not already on there. You get a little brush in there. It's not to write home about. It's just a little brush with a small end and a wide end. You get a little screwdriver, pretty standard with a lot of clippers now, where you get one of those in. And then in here you get the 8 guards. They're not the premium guards. This is what sets Gamma and Babyliss aside. You're paying all this money for a premium clipper and you get the standard guards. They are pretty flimsy, I'm not going to lie to you. I actually purchased the Babyliss Pro premium guards, the new ones that are fiberglass. So it makes no odds to me. They're not bad guards, I've seen worse. It's a premium clipper. You would expect premium guards in it. You do get that with the Gamma Boosted and the Rebel and all the other Apex. You get the double magnetic premium guards. It's just a little observation. It'd be nice if Babyliss actually put the premium guards in there. That's what's inside. And what we're going to do now is, I've chucked all that back in there, but I need that out so we can have a look on the back of the box and see what you actually get performance-wise for the LoPro FX. It says that it's an ultra low profile metal shield cover. It's a high performance torque brushless motor. It produces 6,800 RPM, which is 3,600 strokes per minute. It's a metal motor bracket for optimal balance. It is quite a nice balance actually, I do like it, feels nice. It has the lithium ion cordless battery, or you can have it corded and it will work, which is 2 hours plus cordless run time. And it does actually have an LED blue little light on there for when it's running out. It would have also have been good to have had some sort of USB charging port as well. Whether that's patented to certain companies, I don't know, but it is a great feature and you can just take it wherever you want. Everyone's got USB charging cables with micro USBs, and it would have been a great feature to have on this clipper. It's got the graphite wedge blade that's zero gappable, ultra low friction, extremely durable, and a lower blade temperature. I can honestly say, when I've been using this clipper, I've never noticed it getting hot whatsoever. And it has the five click lever, ergonomic grip housing. It has the thumb indentation on there, and I do really like that. It's nice and comfortable, and it's dual voltage. It comes with the 8 attachments from a 0.5 up to a 6 guard. But as a whole, I do really like this clipper. It is nice. I still prefer probably the Boosted and the Rebel, and that's only from a weight factor. I do prefer a little bit lighter clipper, but that's the only thing that I can say really. I'm not keen on the wedge blade. I am going to put a Fusion / Vapor blade on there because I've heard really good things about it. That's the LoPro FX. I have been using it for a while. I have done quite a few haircuts with it. Would I recommend it? I'd highly recommend it. I think anyone who purchases this clipper, they're not going to be disappointed. It's a good all-rounder. If you can only afford one clipper, and this is my philosophy, you buy cheap, you buy twice. You're better off spending a bit more money, getting a more premium clipper, and this is a premium clipper. It's good for fading, it's good for bulk removal. I've never felt it bogged down whatsoever, and it's really good for clipper over comb. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I am in no way, shape or form affiliated with Babyliss. This is just my honest review / unboxing on what I think of it. If you have enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any videos on any of my drops, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for a bit.